You mentioned about networking. How to do networking?
there is no there is no bible for networking. It is just that you start off with a high. I mean, that is it. People, first of all, you should know कि तुम्हें networking करनी है किसके साथ है. A designer cannot go ahead and network with a coder and बीच conversation में तुम्हें पता भी नहीं कि क्या बात करनी है, unless you have certain suggestions for that coder कि UI UX को किस तरीके से बेहतर किया जा सकता है. How is it that एक coder जो है UI UX को देखता है उस तरीके से. So when you say hi, but you need to know what is the profile of that person. अब if you are an HR, but अगर मैं तुम्हारे को coder की तरह जाके मिलने की कोशिश करूंगा, so that is going to be a problem. I need to approach you as an HR. So networking के अंदर when you as an HR is going to talk to another company's HR, you are not talking to them just to gain knowledge. There are times when they would also want to hear from you. That we're a company who is based out of Pune. We know the Indian market better. We know the SaaS market better. We have done migration to a great level. They would want to know कैसे लोगों को hire किया, what are the people that they do, and you are the best person for it. So this is the kind of networking. There is no Bible for it, but you should know who you're networking with. Of course, hi बोलने के बाद सबसे पहला question यही होता है कि what is it that you do? So you should also know how to introduce yourself. That I'm a project manager at WPOH. I'm a senior, UI UX designer in WPOH. उस तरीके से when you kind of start and always keep an interesting thing about yourself. For example, you like to get into tattoo art. So you should stay ready कि जब भी network करते हैं अपना एक bond बनाना सीखो किसी इंसान के साथ. If you know that there is a person with a tattoo, so you tell them and you interact about the tattoo वाला part. उससे ice break हो जाती है और ice break होगी तो उसके बाद common sense की बात है. The next thing always flows. इसी तरीके से you see somebody who has a certain interest जो आप लोगों ने common है आपके बीच में, उस तरीके से networking का सारा game आगे बढ़ता है.